Revathiz world. Today I'm in Bangalore and is going to make a unique dish with the help of my cousins. So first let me introduce them. First of all, my cousin Parvati.
Hi everyone.
Okay, then comes my cousin Janvi, who is gonna also help in tasting and saying how is the result.
Hi.
Okay, so let's start. So we are making jelly and the first step is to have 2 tablespoons of water. Then add 2 tablespoons of agar-agar, and if you don't have agar-agar, you can use gelatin. So Paro, you can mix this mixture while I do the rest.
Okay.
So now let's add 2 cups of water and we have to boil it. Okay, Danny, let's do it together. Okay, now let's add half a cup of sugar and make sure that it's dissolved completely. So now let's add the agar-agar mixture into it. Now let's pour it into different cups and then add different colors. Now it's time for colors. So, Janvi, which color do you want first?
Purple.
Okay. So next I'm going to add pink. Paru, you can add the color for the rest of these.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm pouring this into cupcake molds. Now let's keep this into the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. So we took this from the fridge. Now is the main and the last part where Jani is gonna taste it. Okay, you can take any which you want.
I'm also going to taste it.
Okay.
It's tasty.
So in here we are ending this video. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to others. Goodbye.